Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your VIVO X60 Pro, at first you have to open Play Store and get this application. So let's install and wait until the download will be finished. As you can see right now, we can open, and here we got a few notifications, so we have to accept all of them. When you swipe on the right side, you will find the same data but in older theme, and the temperature of your battery you will find in this place. But as you can see, here we can find also a lot of other data. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.